Like, I've already hit the I win button in life, but like, that's not enough. It's just simply insufficient.
June 18 in 2028. What's the post about? What's the pic about? Who are you with? What's going on?
We're currently the largest Amazon independently owned agency in the world. All of the things I've been focused on up until this point was generate as much wealth as possible, create as many jobs as possible.
What's the post about 5 years from now? What are you doing June 18, 2029?
I personally hope that we have started some sort of process of rescuing kids from pedophile rapes, like Underground Railroad style, and that like the profits from my Amazon guy are now being put into a systemic solution to the perversion of the world.
June 18, 2044. What would you be most proud of?
If my children had surpassed me, it would be amazing. I feel more pressure now than I did prior to doing all of this to change the world for a better place. There was a lesson here that I don't think people who haven't become an entrepreneur understand until they become one. And that is, you create your own work. You create a lot of work for other people. The absence of growth for my soul is death. I have to be in the elevator on the way up.
June 18, 2064. You're gonna be 77 years old. How are you spending your time?
I had long believed I was gonna go serve a mission for my church, but I see pictures every single day from people that we've helped them build a house, we helped them buy a fridge for their parents who've never had a fridge in their entire lives. The mission that I'm serving right now for MAG and those 540 jobs that I've already created is a higher purpose for me. Maybe I'll get off the rocket with Elon, who knows?